Smart hello to all mechanical engineers. Today we are starting our mechanical engineering quiz series. The idea is I will be sharing one by one question, total 17 questions in this video. There will be 4 or 5 answers to it, and you have to write the right answer in the comment. You can write question number one or answer number one, and this is the right option. Let's see, we all will try to solve this question together. Idea is to let's have some mechanical engineering discussions, and in the comments you can elaborately discuss each question if you have some doubts. Fine. I would like to tell you that quiz is brought to you by mechanical-engg.com. This is the website for mechanical engineers where each and every mechanical engineer can join and contribute. He can start discussions. He can have his own blog on, and there are lots of images. You can upload your images. You can share your PowerPoint presentation. So it's a knowledge community started. This was started in around 2006 when I was a final year mechanical engineering student. So let's start. So are you ready? Get ready, and you have to write answer instantaneously. It will be very fun, and please make sure to share this video on your profile or on your wall in your WhatsApp group, so we can have lots of mechanical engineers participating. And if you will like this quiz pattern, we'll have lots of questions coming up, lots of series coming up for this quiz type. So let's start. All the best to you. Let's see who will write all the answers. So here is the question number one. A bucket of water is hanging from a spring balance. An iron piece is suspended into water without touching sides of the bucket from another support. The spring balance reading will unpredictable, increase, decrease, remain same, or increase or decrease depending on depth of immersion. So you have to write the answer. Write it on the comments. Fine. So you have to write one and write the answer increase, decrease, unpredictable like this. You can even stop the quiz in between to play it, and then you can start writing, but make sure to write. Achha, there was one more thing. I would like you to please write location from where you are taking this quiz. Please write location from which city you are playing this quiz, so I can know how many people are playing from which city. Let's start. Next question. Solids and liquids have no value of specific heat, one value under some condition, and two values under other conditions. 3 values of specific heat, 2 values of specific heat, 1 value of specific heat. So solids and liquids have how many specific heats? This is the question. Please write the answer. Question number 3. The value of the wavelength for maximum emission power is given by which law? Wien's law, Fourier law, Kirchhoff law, Planck's law, or Stephen law? Please write the answer. Let me move to next question now. The specific fuel consumption of a petrol engine compared to diesel engine of a same horsepower is less or more depending on operating conditions, more, same, or unpredictable. So you have to write the answer like 4 and write the answer in the comment. Short horizontal lines on pressure enthalpy chart shows constant total heat lines, constant pressure lines, constant entropy lines, constant temperature line, or constant volume lines. Okay, so I believe you have written the answer. Let's move to next question. The unit speed of turbine runner is n upon h, n upon h की power 2.5, n upon root h, n upon h की power 1.5, or n upon h square. Next question. For slow speed large capacity compressor, following type of valve will be best suited: puppet valve, disc or feather type, mechanical valve, sleeve rotary or semi-rotary type, or none of the above, or all of the above. Any of them from the mentioned, you can write the answer. So this was the question number 7. Now I'll be moving on question number 8. Make sure to write the answer. Lancashire boiler is horizontal type, internally fired type, stationary fire tube type, natural circulation type, of all of them. Lancashire boiler. So this was question number 8. Hope you will have written the answer. There is a concept of watch party in Facebook. So please share this question with all your, have a watch party together with all your mechanical engineering friends together also. So this will be great fun. Question number 9. If windmill diameter is doubled, the power output will increase 4 times, 2 times, 16 times or 8 times. Now in the comment, you can also mention later on. Yes, question number 9, the reason behind is, the formula is this, so it will be 4 times, 2 times. You can explain this also. It is important that we should have an elaborative discussion on each question. Hope you have written the answer. Question number 9. Let's move to next question number 10. Least force required to draw a body up the inclined plane is W sine, and the angle is plane inclination plus friction angle. Applied in the direction vertically at an angle equal to the angle of friction to the inclined plane along the plane, unpredictable horizontally. This is from mechanics. Yes. Question number 11th. A material capable of absorbing large amount of energy before fracture is known as resilience, shockproof, toughness, plasticity, ductility. Now, I would also like that let's discuss all these 5 in the comment. Okay, what is resilience, what is shockproof, what is toughness, what is plasticity, and what is ductility, so that our concept is clear. So we have a Facebook page called Mechanical Engineering Community Forum, which has 1.6 million likes. So I want at least 1,000 people should come up and write the answers. So this will be a very good way of learning concepts and refreshing our concepts. So you have written the answer. So let's move to question number 12. Surveying tapes are made of a material having low coefficient of expansion and enough strength. The alloy used is duraluminum, Hastelloy, silver metal, monel metal, or Invar. Let me know the answer. Please write it. Question number 12. For fluctuating loads, bearing is, well-suited bearing is sleeve bearing, ball bearing, needle roll bearing, thrust bearing, or roller bearing. Now, what I want is that we have a mechanical engineering gallery. So we should have all these 5 types of images. So if you are working in bearing industry, please share 5 images of bearing. So each of us can know okay, this type of bearing is called this bearing. This learning by visualization is very important, and that's why we have come up with Mechanical Engineering Gallery at Mechanical Engineering Forum website. So hope you have written the answer. Is it ball bearing or thrust bearing? No, I will not tell the answer. You have to write yourself. Sleeve bearing. Let's move to next question. Cap screws are used to prevent relative motion between parts, slotted for a screwdriver and generally used with a nut. Similar to small size tab bolts, except that a greater variety of shape of heads are available, provided with detachable caps, or similar to studs. So let me know the answer. I believe you have written the answer. Question number 14. So let's move to question number 15. The strength of a properly welded joint as compared to base metal would be less, more, same, unpredictable, or we cannot compare them. So please write the reason also in the comment. Let's move to next question. Inventory control in production planning and control aims at ensuring against market fluctuations, regulates supply and demand, achieving optimization, acceptable customer service at lower capital investment in industry, discounts allowed in bulk purchase. So my question was, inventory control in production and planning control aims at. So these are the 5 options and you have to select the best option. Let's move to last question now. Degree of freedom of human arm is. How many degree of freedoms are there in human arm? 6, 7, 5 or 4? People may say 6, may say 7, may say 5 or may say 4. I will not tell you the answer. You have to write the answer. Hope you have written it. Let's see who has written what answers now. Okay, there is formally a quiz available with these 17 questions. So you can write your answers at that also. and you can check your score, how many persons will score what answer. Quiz link I am sharing in the description of this video, so you can go into that description, click on the link. You can first log in with Facebook or Google or Twitter ID. You need to log in because otherwise your score not will be captured. First log in, then again click on quiz link, and when you play this quiz, and at the end of the quiz you will come to know what the score, how much score you have done. Let's see who will be the first one to score 100% in this quiz. I have opened the quiz for you. I want you to discuss also, and if you would like to take part in the quiz, you're welcome to take. I would like to tell you once again, the website name is mechanical-engg.com. It has forums, gallery, blogs, download, quiz and clubs. You can even start your own club like AutoCAD Club, Solid Edge Club, Oil and Industry Club. You're welcome to join it out. There are 140,000 members on the website. So my objective of taking quiz is to let you know that there is a quiz section in the website, and I want you all to take part. No matter if you don't want to come on the website, let's be active on Facebook, Twitter, or even on YouTube. But please share this video as much as possible, and please share how do you like this quiz. I will try to cover all chapters one by one. So in the next quiz I will try to cover another questions of all chapters one by one. Let me know if you are a professor or a mechanical engineer or a teacher in a college. If you would like to help me in making a better quiz, please let me know. It will be pleasure, because alone is tough, but if there are 10 professors also joining me, it will be a great pleasure to be part of the system. I want students to write notes on the website. Come up and take the lead, because writing is more important. There are two types of learnings. First is knowledge that you should have. Second is expressing that knowledge is equally important. So if you can write a blog, say on type of bearings, it will be a fantastic thing. First of all, and if you don't know it, no problem. Study it and then write it. So there are ways of learning. These are the stages. And when you write, you start writing papers, you write white papers. It will be a very good way of accessing and learning. And when you take feedback from others, when you write an article and you get feedback on it, you will feel enlightened and delighted. So this is the objective of Mechanical Engineering Forum. Hope you will like. Please like and share this video. It is very important, and do check out our website mechanicalengineering.com. Thank you very much.